Alright, just one more time here. Creating parallel cuts. Well, I do wish I could do this having an option here, parallel cuts, and then add millimeters distance and how many cuts. But okay, so you make a cut and it looks all nice, but you want to create parallel cuts. One way to do it is actually to okay, if you open this one again, maybe you want to activate it. By the way, these should be buttons and not pull downs. Okay, so maybe you want to say minus 50 millimeter, and here also minus 50 millimeter, and the knife tool. Now I can click activate here, or what I could have done is I could press numeric, could have pressed numeric twice instead of once. Okay, anyway, so now we'll say minus 100? No, I was wrong. That should have been plus 100. So plus 100 millimeter. Down here, plus 100. Okay. So now we've got parallel cuts, but it's a bit slow, and it can be kind of time consuming selecting these guys manually. If you want to do something with those later on. So depends on your polyflow also. So what I could do here instead is that I could make a copy in this case. You don't need to make a copy really, but I'm going to do it in this case. So take these 4 points, press P to create a poly. Let's go to another layer, paste that in. Use the knife tool, make a cut, and now use chamfer. What? No. Chamfer on one edge. Here we go. And say 50. I'll actually move it 50 in this direction, 50 in that one. And then use the connect tool. Take these guys, cut those out, and paste back in. Now let's make that, for example, blue. And now switch these layers and use template drill Y. Stencil blue, okay. We'll see now, for some reason it didn't make that, it didn't make that cut right here. So sometimes you will get those kind of artifacts. One way to fix it is by moving these guys, for example, just slightly out, like minus 0.005 millimeter, for example, in that direction, and in this direction as well. Instead of minus here, plus apply. And I think that should fix it. Let's see. Well, it fixed this guy. In this case, it didn't fix that middle. Should have done it. Should have fixed it. But anyway, maybe I needed to move it further, even further out. What we'll do then, what we can do instead here is to take this guy, press P, create a 2-point polygon, just cut that out, paste that in here instead, switch those layers, and again, template drill and slice like that. So now it's sliced at 2-point poly, and there we go. So small trick on how to do that. Parallel cuts.